Italy is set to enhance its amphibious warfare capabilities with the introduction of the Veicolo Blindato Amphibio, VBA 8x8, a modern armored vehicle developed by IDV, Iveco Defense Vehicles. This advanced platform is designed to replace the aging AAV-7A1 fleet currently in service with both the Italian Navy and Army. The initial batch is scheduled for delivery in 2025 to the San Marco Brigade, stationed in Brindisi, while the Army's Lagunari Regiment Serenissima is expected to receive 82 units. The complete acquisition process is projected to conclude by 2030, marking a significant upgrade in Italy's amphibious force structure. On December 22, 2024, Italy's Directorate of Land Armaments finalized a contract with IDV for the procurement of 36 VBA vehicles for the Navy. Unlike many of the Italian Army's armored projects, which fall under the Iveco Oto Melara Consortium, the VBA program is independently managed by IDV. This autonomy grants greater production flexibility, ensuring the vehicle is tailored to specific mission requirements while remaining adaptable for potential export markets. Manufactured at IDV's facility in Bolzano, the standard VBA configuration is an armored personnel carrier with a 3-member crew, commander, gunner, and driver, and capacity for up to 10 infantry troops. The platform will also be available in various specialized versions, including a combat model with a remotely operated turret armed with a 30mm cannon, command and control vehicles, armored recovery units, and mortar carriers. The VBA is fully amphibious, capable of rapid deployment from landing craft. Its operational system activates a front trim vane, bilge pumps, and a snorkel for seamless water entry. Propelled by 2 independent rear-mounted propellers linked to the vehicle's gearbox, the VBA reaches a water speed of up to 6 knots. Engineered for effectiveness in maritime conditions up to Sea State 3, the vehicle ensures reliable force projection in a variety of operational environments. On land, the VBA is powered by an Iveco Cursor 16 turbocharged diesel engine producing 700 horsepower, coupled with an Allison 4800 SP automatic transmission. This robust powertrain enables a top speed of 105 km per hour, significantly enhancing mobility over various terrains. Compared to the AAV-7A1 it replaces, the VBA boasts superior agility and maneuverability, ensuring seamless transitions from aquatic to land operations. The Italian Navy's VBA variant features Leonardo's remotely operated hit-roll turret, fitted with a stabilized 12.7mm machine gun. Unlike standard government-provided weaponry, this system is directly sourced from Leonardo in La Spezia. The VBA's modular design allows for diverse configurations, including a 30mm cannon, a coaxial 7.62mm machine gun, and the integration of Spike LR anti-tank missiles for enhanced combat effectiveness. Based on the SuperAV 8x8 platform, the VBA shares commonality with the U.S. Marine Corps' Amphibious Combat Vehicle, ACV, over 200 units of which have been produced by BAE Systems with key components supplied by IDV. Given its advanced capabilities, the VBA has drawn interest from international militaries seeking to modernize their amphibious fleets. Spain's Marine Infantry, for example, is evaluating the VBA as a replacement for its AAV-7A1 vehicles. The introduction of the VBA 8x8 marks a pivotal step in Italy's modernization of its amphibious forces. With significant advancements in mobility, protection, and firepower, this vehicle ensures a more effective response to contemporary operational demands. Beyond strengthening Italy's expeditionary capabilities, the VBA enhances IDV's global footprint in the amphibious armored vehicle sector. This transition to next-generation technology positions Italy's military for sustained operational effectiveness, ensuring readiness for future challenges.